is Saturday, or no, Sunday. It is Sunday, May 21st, I think. Not super good with the calendar these days, apparently. But we are going to the Snohomish motorcycle show. It has some other name. I don't know what it is, and I don't really care. I just know we went a few years ago, and we had a lot of fun walking around, seeing all the bikes, talking to people, etc. So we're going to go do that. Isaac and Jason are still chatting. They're on their way in to the vehicle, and then we will head out. So it's not far from here, and I'm adjusting my heat in case you're wondering. We probably be there an hour or two. Well, maybe 3. Never know. Not too long. Come along. Okay, we parked like miles away. No, not really. It's like 2 blocks. But this is old Snohomish. They got some cool houses here. So we are heading down there to the bike show. And there's this cool church. I might make you sick as I'm bouncing along here. There's this cool church right there. Old building. Old building. It's not a church anymore, I don't think. Maybe it is. I don't even know. There's another. Pretty cool though. And this is my arch nemesis. It's a terrible plant. Makes me sick. Isaac is fascinated by this gigantic log. Hey, Jason, it's from Lake Rossiger District.
What?
It's from the Lake Rossiger District.
Oh, cool.
Where Grandpa's cabin was.
Whoa, look at that.
Hey guys, stand in front of it for a second. Technically, these are Arcati bikes, but we decided that they are Tron bikes. We stopped for lunch and now we're home. It was a nice, just short day out, and now we're gonna just hang out at home and relax. Good end to the Saturday.